What is going on, true believers? It's important to build your portfolio as best you can. And there are days, today's going to be one of those examples, days where I'm not sure that what I'm going to be buying is the best move in the short term, but I think it's good for the long term, for the health of the bag, if you will. I do have concerns. I think today there's a very large dip that's happening right now. Now, Bitcoin is waning just a little bit, but the important thing is altcoins are dipping even harder. And that's usually indicative of another run by Bitcoin, probably going to bleed some of these altcoins just a bit. At least that's what it feels like on the surface to me. So that leaves me with a question. What do I do? Well, I'm going to show you what I'm thinking here. And I'm looking at this RSI heat map, and I'm looking at a lot of weakness. I'm seeing XRP kind of weak. I'm seeing Avalanche kind of weak, Near Protocol, WorldCoin, no. Gala starting to come down just a little bit, no. Rune, I'm not feeling Rune right now. Ace, Storage, Algorand, VeChain. Some of these, by the way, just too high a market cap. We're going to do some high risk, and we're going to do a little mixture of it. We do have some, as you come down here and you kind of look around, Luna Classic, big news, coming down, NFP coming way down. We got Strax over here. Strax, I really like the Stratus fear, if you will, but not yet. I don't think so. We're actually going to go with, and I'm actually keeping this simple because I've told you guys for days I wanted to do this. We'll be looking at Avalanche today. We're going to make that buy on Avalanche. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw $50 in here. We're going to throw $50 into Avalanche. We're only buying 1.64, but again, we're just trying to get a little bit of spread out here so that we have a little bit of each one of these tokens. We want to get ourselves, a nice little portfolio of different tokens, and then we're going to want a DCA. Now, what I was pointing out before is today is one of those DCA days, but we're not DCAing. The strategy that I'm using right now is not a strategy that you should be using, I don't think, today. I'm doing it because I got liquidated. Somebody robbed me and stole my crypto, so now I'm having to rebuild a portfolio from the beginning. And I just want to keep you guys in the loop and informed on what it is that I'm doing. So we can now go over to the spot wallet, and you can see right here, we've got some Solana, we've got Doge, we've got Avalanche, we got some Volt, we've got some Bone, we've got some Render, and then of course anything else always goes into X. So that's what we've got right now. We're just continuing every single day to build this up. Now, in looking at valuation, if you will, we put $100 into Solana, down about $10 on that one. Doge, we put 50 in, and we're at 51. The rest of them, we all put $50 into Avalanche, Volt, Bone, and Render, all sitting a little under $50. This is the dip. Now, what I would say is, in this instance, something like Render, GPU acceleration, something like that, probably coming up really important soon, that it's going to just start kind of ripping. So I'm comfortable with the position, but this is a day where that $50 that I just put in, that we just put into Avalanche, probably could have been better spent on Render, or maybe even Bone, or buying this Volt dip. Still very bullish on Volt. So you guys, just look at it, do what you want to do. I'm just giving you what I'm doing so that you can kind of see what's going on. And remember that this is all brought to you by MEXC. And if you want to do some trading, then go use MEXC for all of your trading. And that helps me tremendously. Sign up at the link down below. And now it's time for our ad. And then we're going to skip out. It's not financial advice. My name is Bleaves. I'm always great. Thank you so much for tuning in. And we'll talk to you again. Cryptonomy giveaway is done. If you won, it is in your wallet right now. So if you won, let me know. Leave a comment. Reach out to me. Let me know that you have been a winner. But I want to let you know that on my transactions so far, we've done quite a few little deposits here. Don't want to focus on the fixed because that's going to be a very long time, or the flexible, my apologies. But I do want to look at the fixed ones right now, and I want to look at each one of the deposits that we've made over here. My Solana deposit, which we did just a couple of days ago, you can already see my scheduled interest is going to be 26 Solana. Right now, that's going to be about $2,600 for this hold. Now, this hold is for 1 year, but I only put in 26 Solana. I'm getting 26 Solana back out. With my Tether, the rate's just a little bit different, but $2,589. Pretty good results, pretty good amounts here all the way down the line, especially with Bitcoin. I'm going to schedule to earn 0.08 off of my shortest term play over here, and then 0.037, and then 0.012. Pretty good return rates overall. So if you haven't already, certainly go check that out. And finally, the launch pool. Guys, the launch pool has been so good to me so far. Really allowed me to expand my position a lot. This has been really a lifesaver. You guys know what happened here, but my accrued interest to date so far, $28,471. So this has been fantastic. This doesn't end, by the way, until November 21 of 2024. I am locked in. Each one of these is accruing interest for me, but lifesaver. So check out cryptonomy.finance. It's not financial advice.